Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share something simple but powerful. You can earn $180 or more just by watching YouTube videos. The best part, it's totally free and anyone from anywhere in the world can start today. You don't need any fancy skills or past experience. If you have a phone or a laptop, that's enough. But I know what you're thinking. Is this real? So let me share what's already happening. Just today, someone made $174.45 and got an extra 55 bonus. A user from UK earned 36 with a 40 bonus on top. Also, someone who made 27 got awarded a 30 reward. They're real people, earning their money one small step at a time. And if they can do it, so you can. I will walk you through the steps in just a moment. But let's be real, this isn't a magic trick. You won't suddenly make $1,000 a day. What you can earn is extra cash, maybe for lunch, online shopping, or just to save a bit more each month. Let me show you my actual account on the platform. That's my profile right here. I'm going to rephrase the fake to prove this isn't just a screenshot, it's my live account dashboard. Before I share the link with you, you need to watch this entire video for 3 important reasons. First, I'll show you exactly how to earn money watching videos. Second, I'll reveal additional tasks that can boost your earnings. Third, I'll share a clever strategy that most people don't know about. One that helped me maximize my earnings on this platform. What makes this platform special is its reliability. I've been using it consistently for the past 6 months and payments have always been on time. Unlike many other sites that promise the moon but deliver nothing, this one actually follows through. Looking at my wallet right now, I've got $15 ready for withdrawal, and I'll show you exactly how to cash out your earnings. The platform has several sections, your dashboard, earning tracker, and various ways to make money. While you can advertise your own products here and join competitions, let's focus on the simplest way to earn. The dashboard is incredibly user-friendly. Everything is clearly labeled and easy to navigate. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll have no trouble finding your way around. When you click Earn section, you'll see 5 different earning methods: survey, task, content, overalls, and referral. For video watching, we'll focus on the content section, which gives you 3 options. We'll be using the Engage feature. I personally start each day by checking the Engage section. That's where you will find the highest paying video opportunities. The key is to be consistent and check back as new videos are added throughout the day. The platform will show you specific YouTube videos to watch for a set duration. Once you finish watching, points get added to your account, and you can convert this point into real cash. Video lengths vary, but the platform clearly shows how long you need to watch to earn your points. What's great about this system is that you can actually multitask. I personally play them on my second monitor while doing other tasks or during lunch breaks. Just make sure you're actively engaged enough for the platform to register your viewing time. Here is something important. There is a daily limit on available videos. You cannot just watch videos endlessly from morning to night. That's why I'm going to show you other ways to maximize your earnings. The key is to develop a routine that works for you. I found that checking the platform 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening helps me catch new videos opportunities. Speaking of maximizing earnings, here's how you can earn even more. First, try the survey section. Someone from Nigeria just earned $168 from a single survey. Others are earning anywhere from 7 cents to $16 per survey. The secret? Fill out your profile completely and accurately. This helps the platform match you with surveys you're more likely to qualify for, saving time and increasing your earning potential. I recommend spending 15 minutes each morning checking for new surveys as they fill up quickly. The task section over quick jobs for points. The overalls let you earn by playing games. Some games pay up to $859 if you reach specific levels within 48 hours. Before starting any game, read the requirements carefully and calculate if it's realistic to achieve within the time limit. The referral system, you get 10% commission on whatever your referrals earn. If someone you refer makes $100, you get $10 without taking anything from their earnings. You can share your link on WhatsApp, Facebook, or X formerly Twitter. This is passive income. Once someone signs up through your link, you earn automatically from their activity. I found that sharing genuine success stories and tips helps referrals earn more, and that also increases my commissions. There are also bonuses through a leader system. Top earners can get up $180 in bonus payments. There is a referral contest too, with prizes ranging from $400 to $20. For example, someone from Pakistan earned $19.51 and received $180 bonus just for being one of the top earners. But before you rush to sign up, there is one last thing you need to know. When you have money in your wallet, like the $15.80 I have now, you will need to verify your identity before withdrawing. It's a simple three-step process. Take a selfie holding a paper with the platform's name. Upload an ID photo optional. Link your Facebook profile optional. Once verified, you can choose your payment method. Most people use PayPal, Wise, or Visa. The website is called Timebox. Make sure you spell it exactly when typing it into your browser. Before you go, if you feel this video gave you value, hit the like button. It helps more people discover real ways to earn online. Want to get started? This platform works, whether you're a student, a parent, or just need extra income. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one because I genuinely want you to success. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next video where we explore more income ideas. Thanks for being here. See you in the next video.